उस दिन आया था बांग्लादेश 3 दिन में आ गया।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप देख रहे हैं स्पोर्ट्स विद रवीश। मैं हूं आपके साथ रवीश बेश। मेरे साथ दो खास मेहमान मौजूद हैं, बांग्लादेश के दो सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट मौजूद हैं। इनसे पूछते हैं कि सेकंड टेस्ट मैच में बांग्लादेश के कितने चांसेस हैं। फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच में बांग्लादेश ने सेकंड इनिंग में अच्छी बैटिंग करी, फर्स्ट इनिंग में अच्छी बॉलिंग करी, लेकिन ओवरऑल जो मैचअप होना चाहिए था वो नहीं हो पाया। क्या सेकंड टेस्ट मैच जो कि कानपुर में खेला जाएगा उसके लिए बांग्लादेश कितनी तैयार है, कितनी प्रिपेयर आप देखते हैं बांग्लादेश क्रिकेट टीम को स्पेशली कानपुर टेस्ट मैच के लिए?
I can't say there is a lot of improvement or lot of change because it's a few days or 2 or 3 days later after Chennai test. So I am expecting that, as Shakib Al Hasan said in the press conference, we are expecting better score in the first innings, especially if Bangladesh can score 350 or around 400. It would be tremendous. Then the bowler will have some asset to fight on. So I'm expecting to improve a lot, especially in the top and middle order.
बट आपने ये भी देखा होगा यहाँ पर कि पिच शायद थोड़ा बेटर मिले, मतलब चेन्नई में जैसी विकेट थी उससे बांग्लादेश के हिसाब से यहाँ पे शायद वैसा विकेट मिले बांग्लादेश ब्लैक सॉइल वाला।
Yes, I can see that, but the rain is going on, so I can't say. The weather forecast tomorrow will be also the rain, so it could be a problem. But rather than that, is the sky is shiny, and I think it will be beneficial for Bangladesh. It seems like that, and as you mentioned that the soil is on the black soil for the pitch. Hope it will be a good match. I can say that Bangladesh will beat India, but I hope Bangladesh will fight. At least the test will go on for 5 days, and it should be a competitive match.
इधर आइए भैया, आप क्या बोलोगे यार?
We play in Mirpur, and Mirpur is always a spinning track.
Yeah.
If we see the start of this pitch, Green Park Stadium, it's helpful for spinner. So we are always play to spin. So I think it's little bit help to Bangladesh team. But this is the last test of Shakib Al Hasan. So definitely team member have to do something of Shakib.
साकिब उल हसन का लास्ट टेस्ट मैच है उन्होंने कहा, क्या आपको लग रहा है वो साउथ अफ्रीका वाली सीरीज नहीं खेलेंगे?
I don't think so, because cricket is everything for Bangladesh. Yeah, there is some issues because Shakib Al Hasan have some political reasons, but I don't think so because our government, our people, all love cricket, all love Shakib Al Hasan. He's legend. Last 17 years, he played 70 tests. So definitely, I don't think so there is any problem to Shakib play in Mirpur.
Were you expecting this news from Shakib Al Hasan today when he came out for press conference? He said that this can be his last test match. Were you expecting?
Yeah, it's really shocking. When I'm childhood, I'm a sports reporter. I have to dream a sports reporter because I go to nearby Shakib Al Hasan. All of us, Shakib is our idol. Shakib is our legend. We are all emotional. All the journalists. I saw some of journalists are crying when Shakib announced his retirement. So it's really pathetic for us. But definitely, one day you have to say goodbye. So it's happening, brother.
आपको क्या लग रहा है ब्रदर? साकिब ने अनाउंस कर दिया, शॉकिंग था, अचानक से आपको भी न्यूज़ मिली या आपको कुछ सोर्सेज से पता लग गया था पहले कि ऐसा कुछ अनाउंसमेंट हो सकता है?
It was a bit shocking for me because usually Shakib didn't came to the press conference, especially after the political situation in Bangladesh. I was expecting that Shakib will tell something about his injury and the controversy out that, but it was very shocking for me about his retirement. But keep aside the emotion, and I think it's the right decision, it's the right time. Though I believe he should continue the test format and he should retire from the white ball. It's my personal opinion because this format we need him the most, and with his health condition, some problem with the eyes, I think test format was very suitable for him, but it's his personal choice. He knows better. He knows his body, his physical, his mind. I wish him luck and hope he will be a memorable 2 test matches game he is expecting, especially in Kanpur. He has 2 innings to play, both with the bat and the ball. I believe he will try to do his best.
Do you feel that it will be his last test match or he's going to play some test match in Bangladesh?
Actually, it's complicated because as I mentioned previously, he was the member of the parliament, and that's why there is some political issue. But I personally hope from the bottom of my heart, he deserved this opportunity to say goodbye from his home crowd, home fan. He deserved a victory lap with his teammates, and from my bottom of my heart, I will request the government, the BCB, who has been associated with this situation, I requested them that please give him the opportunity to say goodbye, and because he is the legend of Bangladesh cricket.
Now coming back to this test match, what will be the combination of Bangladesh? Do you see any changes in the playing 11?
Yes, I think I am still confused about the situation of Sakib bowling. How much he said he is fit. The head coach also said, but he didn't
He
bowl.
was practicing also.
He was practicing, but he didn't bowl yesterday. I didn't see him bowling, not today as well. But it could be because of his rain. If he can bowl 100%, the combination might be different. But if he only play as a batter, it could be a different person. But I think that Taijul Islam will come to the 11, and I
In
don't
place
see-
of?
in place of there might be a two pacer in the 11, I believe.
Hassan Mahmood and,
Hassan Mahmood will be played, I believe so, and between Taskin and Hyderana there will be one drop and Taijul will come.
Brother, can you come? What's your thoughts about the playing 11? Do you see the same changes as he was saying that there will be, two pacers and three spinners combination?
Actually, I have seen one change in the top order. Mahmudul Hassan Joy play extremely well, but due to injury, he done play last 2 or 3 test match. So I think there is a changes. Maybe Sadman maybe drop in opening, and maybe Sadman, Joy and Jakir will be opening. And I will agree with him. Definitely, Taijul maybe will be coming because this kind of condition is very very suitable for him. But I wish to play Naeem Hassan, another spinner. If he play, I think that would be excellent.
चलिए, आपने सुना बांग्लादेश के दोनों सीनियर जर्नलिस्टों को, आपने सुना दोनों का कहना है कि एक चेंज हो सकता है, 3 स्पिन का कॉम्बिनेशन कानपुर में देखने को मिल सकता है। बट साकिब उल हसन, जैसा कि उन्होंने रिटायरमेंट अनाउंस कर दिया है, उनका लास्ट टेस्ट मैच यहाँ पर हो सकता है।